and welcome. I am Prachi Gupta and I will walk you through how coronavirus spread across the world. A novel coronavirus infection that started in Wuhan city of China in November 2019 has now reached around 200 countries. A sheer reminder of how connected our world is today. This invisible threat has infected lakhs and has claimed thousands of human lives. With no drugs and vaccines available, many countries have declared a lockdown to contain the spread of this virus. Ironically, viruses which do not have an existence of their own and only live and multiply in their host are now a threat to our existence. While sitting at our homes in these days of lockdown, we may wonder how this new virus came into being, and if it was already there in the environment, why did not it infect us earlier? Some claim that China engineered this virus, which subsequently leaked from the laboratory. Others say that it has originated from bats. Few say it came from snakes and others point at pangolins as their source. Which of these claims is right and what does science and researchers say? Sit back and we will unfold this mystery for you by explaining what the researchers around the world have found about the origin of this virus till date. Well, the initial reports pointed out that the COVID-19 virus moved from snakes to humans. But this claim was refuted by a research that was published on 3rd of February in a prestigious research journal, Nature. Now, this research claimed bat is the source of COVID-19 infection. In this study, the scientists isolated the virus from the 5 coronavirus patients and then sequenced its DNA. When they matched this DNA sequence from coronavirus from other animals, they found out DNA sequence of virus isolated from the patients were 96% similar to the DNA sequence of coronavirus patients present in bats. It is similar to a common understanding that if two people share a lot of similarity in their DNA, they are siblings or family. Similarly, if the virus obtained from patients closely resembles that is seen in bats, then we can conclude that the virus jumped to humans from bats. Now the question comes, how did it transfer from bats to humans? And why did it happen now and not earlier? The reason for this is rapidly evolving or changing DNA of viruses. The coronavirus residing in bat changed its DNA sequence, and due to this change, it has now been able to infect humans. Novel coronaviruses infect or enter their host cells by binding to ACE2 receptors present on each cell. These receptors help in maintaining blood pressure in the body. These receptors act as a cell opener for a virus. So after binding the receptor, a virus can enter a human cell. Initially, the virus in the bat was unable to bind to human ACE2. But the evolved or changed virus had the ability. It made it possible for the virus to enter the human cell and infect it. It is believed that humans came in contact with bats and therefore evolved viruses in the seafood market of Wuhan. For a month, it was understood that bats were the source of COVID-19. However, another study which recently published in Nature journal on 26th of March made another claim. The study showed that though overall similarity of a novel coronavirus infecting human is more with the one infecting the bat, the virus infecting pangolins shows more similarity in the ACE receptor binding region, through which the virus has been able to infect the humans. This new information shows that maybe pangolin is the source of COVID-19. However, more research is required to come to a conclusion and understand if the pangolin directly infected humans or through bats, or if the virus jumped from pangolins to bats and then to humans. A puzzle which the researchers are now trying to solve. Anyhow, these researchers refuse the rumors that coronavirus have been made by Chinese laboratory. Let's hope we get to the answer to it soon, as it may help us in developing the drug against this infection and stop the future instances of such viruses.